Alright, how's it going? Today we're going to show you how to pair a particle argon to your phone using the particle app. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here. Here you have the particle itself as well as the Wi-Fi antenna, which I've already attached to it. It's kind of hard to detach from it. We also have the very well packaged breadboard, as well as some other components and LEDs and some resistors. And then the only thing left is just the packaging for the antenna itself. So we're going to put this off to the side. You also get a USB cable. This is a different one that I have provided myself. It's a little longer, but it'll get the job done nonetheless. So, to get this paired to your device, you need to first put power to the Argon itself. Plug it right in right there. And there's two small buttons on either side of the light here. You're going to press this one and hold it until it flashes blue. And it'll instruct you to do so on here as well. So I'm going to pair. There we go. And it's going to tell you to scan the sticker on the Argon itself. So you just zoom in and scan, and it scanned it. Yep, I've attached the Wi-Fi antenna. Yes, click next. So it's going to pair. I have my phone attached to, connected to my home Wi-Fi network, and I'm going to not worry about the mesh network right now. And I'm going to click next. I'm going to click next. I think I'm going to have to put in a Wi-Fi password. Yep. So that's the network I want to use. I'm going to go ahead and put in a password real fast. Alright, connect the device to the cloud. And it's going to pair up. And now it's flashing a different way. And there we go. Just gotta wait for my phone to finish up here. I already have it named instrumentation because I've already connected it previously before. Okay, now we can enter the device right here and go to Tinker, and the way that we can tell that this is working is if you go to pin D7, you can click on it and put a digital write on it, and if you click on it again, it'll turn it to high, and this blue light turns on again, and if you turn it to low, it turns off. So, off, on, off, on, off. So, now we know it's working, and now we can begin doing different experiments with it. Thank you for watching.